Welcome back to Lochs and Highways, everyone, where the roads twist like a Highland story, the sea kisses the shore, and every corner has a tale waiting to be told. Today we're leaving behind the ancient stones of Dunure Castle. Check out my previous video, linked in the description if you haven't seen it yet. And we're hitting the Ayrshire Coastal Road with surprises along the way, including a wee bit of Scottish magic you won't want to miss. So buckle up, take a deep breath of that fresh coastal air, and let's see where Scotland shows off today.
Sing your song so wild and free. Castles, cliffs, and ocean blue. Scotland's calling, I'll sing with you.
Hugging the Ayrshire coastline, rolling hills, the sea sparkling beside us. This road has carried travellers for centuries. When you look at that view, who would blame them? The sea meeting the cliffs, the wind sculpting the land. It's Scotland showing off. This stretch has inspired poets, painters, and plenty of drivers looking for the perfect selfie stop. And today, it's ours to enjoy. We're approaching the Electric Brae. You can see why it's been puzzling travellers for generations. The hill looks perfectly ordinary at first glance, but something is off. Your eyes tell you you're climbing, yet your car seems to roll gently uphill on its own. Trees lean in ways that trick your perspective, and the slope of the surrounding land convinces your brain it's defying gravity. Even the horizon seems to play along, tilting just enough to make your mind question what's real. It's subtle, almost cheeky. On a busy day, you might even see cars stopped on the road, handbrakes off, slowly rolling uphill. You don't actually need to stop to feel it. Even driving normally, you can feel the car speed up when you're not expecting it to. Scotland's way of reminding you that even a simple drive can have a twist of wonder.
Let the skyline shine, this land of legends will always be mine. Lochs and highways, coast and glen, I'll keep coming back again.
This stretch of road actually took me by surprise. It's beautiful. The road rolls gently along the coast, the sea glimmering to the right, hills rising on the left. It's the kind of drive that lets you sink into the rhythm of Scotland. No rush, just the quiet hum of the car, the wind, and the occasional seabirds wheeling overhead. Sometimes the beauty of a drive is in those moments of calm, where every turn and glance feels like a postcard coming to life. A bit further up this road, and certainly worth talking about, is Culzean Castle, a grand 18th century fortress that's part fairy tale, part fortress, perched dramatically above the cliffs. It's a popular stop for visitors, with sweeping, well-kept gardens and secret passageways that hint at centuries of history. Well worth the visit if you've never been before.
Heaven blooms on rugged ground, nature's beauty all around. Lochs reflect the ancient past, a story that will always last. Clans of old and bounce fought, echoes of the heart we sought. Songs of joy and tales of pain, Scotland's spirit will remain. Scotland, your wild heart roar, land of thunder forevermore. Valleys deep and skies so wide, in your beauty we can find.
As we leave the open coastline behind, the road begins to wind a wee bit more. Nothing wild like the wilds of Glencoe, but enough to make the drive feel alive. Sweeping bends roll gently between the hills, the scenery shifting as the sea fades into the distance and fields, woods, and small farms come into view. The curves of the road coax the car along as we take in rolling hills, dappled sunlight, and the faint scent of the sea still lingering in the air. It's a stretch made for a leisurely drive, where every turn offers a new view, and the landscape feels like it's telling you to slow down, breathe, and enjoy the ride. Scotland here whispers, rather than shouts, a beautiful reminder of the quiet charm of Ayrshire before we head toward the next stretch of adventure.
land of thunder forevermore. Valleys deep and skies so wide, in your beauty we confide. Desert birds on rugged ground, nature's beauty all around. Rocks reflect the ancient past, a story that will always last. Clans of walls in battles fought, echoes of the heart we sought. Songs of joy and tales of pain, scholars will remain.
It's worth remembering we're still right in the heart of Burns country. Just back down the road in Alloway is Burns Cottage, which I showed in my previous video. The humble beginnings of Scotland's national poet, a really interesting visit. Or if you're more into walking boots than car seats, the Ayrshire Coastal Path runs along this stretch too. On a clear day you can spot Arran across the water, or even dolphins playing out in the Firth of Clyde. It's the kind of place where no matter how many times you travel it, there's always something new waiting by the roadside or out on the waves. Whatever brings you here. I really hope you've enjoyed this part of the Ayrshire Coastal Highway. If you did, hit that thumbs up button, and why not give me a wee subscribe while you're there. It helps keep locks and highways on the road, and the twists and turns of Scotland rolling in. Every turn, every bend in the road holds a story waiting to be discovered. Keep chasing the horizon. I'll meet you on the next loch, the next highway, the next adventure.
On lots and highways, hearts run free, where the land meets sky and the soul can be. Through every road, through every sea, this is home, it's you and me. On lots and highways,